will continue to promote this product through various competition and exhibition to attract the investor for the further education.
In addition to this, several key agencies will be approached to ensure that this product will further be introduced. This includes the Ministry of Agriculture, MARDI, LKIM, Department of Fisheries, and also other fish farmers association. The mass media is another means of our marketing strategy to promote the product. A substantial impact will hopefully be made through this means.
A good mechanism is only good if it cooperates with Mother Nature. Data show that this product produces zero in carbon dioxide emission and zero usage of electricity. Pollution is inevitable. However, with just a little bit of contribution, this product will be able to make a difference.
By having these criteria met, we can confidently sustain and further improve in the near future. With more collaborations with other institutions, we confidently see this mechanism being sold all over the world. It's quite remarkable that the simplest of mechanisms would create such an impact. Can you visualize how the world would be if we emphasize on more including private conventions like this? Wouldn't the world be a better place for us to live in?
As mentioned earlier, if 10 fish ponds that use the conventional contraptions emit 52,800 kilograms carbon dioxide per year, imagine the mass execution of these contraptions.